which is a project funded by the World Bank through the International Development Assistance Operation, housed at the Ministry of Finance. The project is a $35 million project implemented for a duration of 5 years, with the sole objective of increasing the fiscal space in the Gambia. The project has two components, and the main, this is focused on improving the effectiveness of the public resource management of the country and to support critical reform areas in the country. Two of the key interventions are focused on strengthening the revenue collection system through the implementation of an integrated tax administration system, and also improvement of the public procurement process through the professionalization of the procurement cadre and the adoption of the electronic procurement system. In line with this, the World Bank had strongly recommended that we visit Nigeria, and this was following a comprehensive e-readiness assessment report, which recommended African countries that are doing well, very well in the implementation of the e-procurement, and they had highlighted that Nigeria had 14 states that have successfully adopted and implementing the e-procurement system. So Nigeria was identified as one of the model countries, specifically Lagos and Edo, where the model examples that were given and the so far we have had very rich exchanges with the Lagos counterparts, namely the Ministry of Finance, the public procurement authorities in Nigeria, and the key stakeholders. And this morning we had very rich exchanges also with our counterparts from the Edo state as well. And they have been very generous in sharing a lot of key information that we feel would serve as a very good guideline towards the adoption and implementation of e-procurement in the Gambia. So basically, based on the exchanges this morning, I must admit that the choice of Edo and Lagos was not a mistake, and this I think will be a very it is in this regard, and on behalf of the government of the Gambia, the World Bank, and the Gambia delegation, that we would like to express our profound gratitude for accepting to host the delegation. And we hope that this engagement will be the beginning of a collaboration that is fruitful between our two economies and agencies. And we hope that by the end of the study we will have at least some agreements signed between our two agencies to exchange ideas, experts, and leverage on the knowledge that has already been created in the Nigerian e-procurement ecosystem.
For us as a subnational, we made up our mind that government business is not to lament. Government business is to find solutions to the problems of our people. And when you operate in a political space, you are guided by the needs and the wants of our people. And you're also guided by the promises that you have made. So after that swearing in, the next thing is to deliver on those promises, because the people hope and aspiration lies on you. So it's either you dash it or you fulfill it. So the challenge of leadership is just to look for solutions on how to make governance work for the vast majority of our people. Because we are mindful that while people say fingers are not equal, we are also mindful that the weak and the vulnerable need to be protected. So while the energetic ones can struggle for themselves, government should make sure that the weak also have a sense of belonging in the society. But in doing this, government must work. And the engine room of government is the bureaucrats, the bureaucracy, the civil servants. They have to work. So when a car engine is not working, there's nothing the driver can really do. So when we came on board, the advantage we had was to leverage on the 32 years experience of our governor in private sector and public financing. So we came up with a lot of reforms because we met a vehicle that the engine was very, very weak, very weak. And if you have to force it to move, in fact, 1 meter, you need 20 gallons of diesel to move it. And you know the kind of smoke that such a vehicle we generate. So all we did was just look at the books, fix the bureaucracy. Why people said they cannot work, these people, there's nothing that can come out of them. We said no. We need to engage them first to know really whether they're actually dead woods. But when we discover that a system where you don't train a workforce to upgrade their performance in line with present realities. So no matter what you do, without training and retraining, they cannot upgrade their standard as far as work is concerned. So we started by building infrastructure. Maybe they will show you by the time you come. We have a training center, Oyego Training Center. Decided that we must imbibe and it must be part of our policy. Is training. Training, and training was one thing that we discovered that we needed. Because even this, our Android, sometimes you just open it, they'll tell you to upgrade or to click to upgrade the phone. Because if you don't, after a while, it will crash. So the same thing is with human beings. You need to train them and operate them because the world is evolving and the world is becoming very small on a daily basis through technology. Before COVID, nobody really took serious Zoom and virtual meetings. But today, from your home, you can work. You don't even need to leave your home if you don't have to. That is technology. So the world is becoming small because of technology, and work is made easy and easier every day because of technology. So for us, we also discovered that if you must fight corruption, you must put system in place to check it. Everybody must conform with laid down procedures, and you must be able to see through these procedures. So it's not just putting the system in place, but you must be able to see through. And technology makes it easier now to see through. What we've done with Edo procurement is similar to what we've done with our educational system. From my office and from the office of the governor, I can tell if a child was in classroom in any part of our public school, primary school in Edo State today. I can tell if the lessons that they took is same with the lesson that the school just by government house here took. I can tell if the teacher is in class, and I can tell when he clocked in and when he started his lessons. All through technology. So those are some of the reforms that we've done. So same we've done with our own bureaucracy and our governance. Edo State, without missing words, we are the only paperless government now. Paperless government. So I can approve my files from my laptop. The governor can approve his files from everywhere. I can travel, and the government is not on recess. From my laptop, I can approve any files. And the process is that before the end of this year, by next year, nobody will be transacting any business with government within the senior cadre, carrying files from one table to the other. So we are making governance easy because for you to be able to grow your economy and grow your GDP, there's one factor, things that you must put right. After putting all this bureaucracy, ease of doing business becomes easier in the environment, because if this system is not put in place, then businesses will suffer.